Describe a long-term goal you would like to achieve. One long-term goal I would like to achieve is becoming fluent in French. I have had this goal for about 3 years now. I started thinking about it when I realized how useful it would be for travel and my career. French is spoken in many countries, and knowing the language would help me connect with more people and learn about different cultures. To achieve this goal, I have planned several steps. First, I am taking online French classes twice a week to improve my grammar and vocabulary. Second, I try to practice speaking with native speakers using language exchange apps. I also watch French movies and listen to French songs to improve my listening skills. Lastly, I plan to visit a French-speaking country in the future to practice the language in real-life situations. I set this goal because I believe learning a new language opens up many opportunities. It helps me grow personally and professionally. Also, achieving fluency in French will give me a sense of accomplishment and confidence in my ability to learn new skills. Describe a place where you would like to go to relax. A place I would like to go to relax is the Maldives. I would like to go there in the future, maybe next year during the summer or winter holidays. It seems like the perfect time to enjoy the beautiful beaches and warm weather. When I go to the Maldives, I would spend most of my time relaxing by the ocean. I want to lie on the white sandy beaches, swim in the clear blue water, and maybe try snorkeling to see the colorful fish and coral reefs. I would also enjoy staying in one of those villas built over the water where you can wake up to the sound of the waves. I would like to go to this place because it looks peaceful and far away from the busy city life. The natural beauty of the Maldives makes it feel like the perfect destination to relax and recharge. It's a dream destination for me, and I believe it would be a very calming and refreshing experience. Describe a period when you were busy. A period when I was very busy was during my final exams last year. It was in December, just a few weeks before the exams started. I had to study for 5 different subjects, and each one required a lot of preparation. I spent most of my days reading textbooks, making notes, and solving past exam papers. What made me so busy was the pressure to do well in all the subjects. I also had to complete some assignments and attend extra classes to revise important topics. Balancing everything in a short amount of time was challenging. I felt both stressed and motivated during this time. On one hand, it was tiring to keep up with so much work every day, and I often felt overwhelmed. On the other hand, I knew that all the hard work would pay off, which kept me focused. In the end, when the exams were over, I felt relieved and proud of myself for managing such a busy period successfully.